Hi, grade 12. So we're going now on to question 3 from the Little Falls 2019 prelim paper. Okay, so question I'm not too interested in about, I mean, you guys can just write it out and then just see how the pattern goes and see what character falls on the 159th position, okay? It's not too bad. What I'm more interested in is the routine or the more complex type of questions, okay? So going on to question B. It's saying the first two terms of an arithmetic sequence are 7 and 3. Determine the 18th term. So the first two terms, so we now know that I can do it in two ways. We can go 7, 3, and then it'll go on and on. Or we can do it like this. The first two terms, so we've got T1 is equal to 7 and T2 is equal to 3. We need to determine the 18th term. Okay, so we're going to be using this formula here, which is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. That is given on your formula sheet. In order to use this, we need to know what A is. Well, we know what A is. It's our first term, which is 7. N, we need to know, which they told us is the 18th. And D, which is your common difference. Well, we can work it out here. We're going minus 4. Okay, so I just want to write everything here. So we know that A is equal to 7. N is equal to 18. And D we know is minus 4. So I can just substitute it into our formula here. So T18 is equal to 7 plus 18 minus 1 times D. Okay, you can just plug that on the calculator and we get T18 is equal to minus 61. All right. Next question, question C. It's telling us that we've got this geometric sequence, minus a half, a third, K, and it goes on and on. So it says that this thing is a geometric sequence. Calculate the value of K. So we can do this in two ways. I think the easiest way would just to be finding how we get from term to term to term, okay? And because it's a geometric, we know that the common ratio would be T2 divided by T1, okay? In this case, it would be 1 over 3 divided by minus a half, and that would give us minus 2 over 3, okay? So that's our common ratio, and that's what we're multiplying each time. So the easiest way to do this, grade 12s, is just to multiply this term by this, and that will give you the next term. So we know that K would be equal to 1 over 3 multiplied by minus 2 over 3, and here we would get minus 2 over 9, and that's the value of K. All right. Then, question D. Evaluate showing working out. So we need to evaluate sigma, K is equal to 3, up to 5 of 3K minus 1 over K. All right. Now remember with sigma, always expand it. All right. And we haven't got that many terms here to expand anyway. We're going from 3 to 5. So I'm going to start with our index being 3, plug it into where K is. So our first one would be 3 to the power of 3 minus 1 over 3 plus. Now you go to your next index, which is 4. So it'll be 3 to the power of 4 minus 1 over 4 plus. Go to the next index, which is 5. So we get 3 to the power of 5 minus 1 over 5. And I stop there. Why? Because our limit is 5. Once you're at this point, guys, you can just put it on your calculators and work it out. So that's what I'm going to do here. So we've got 3 squared over 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 over 4, over 4 plus 3 to the power of 4 over 5. And we get an answer of 519 over 20. Not too bad. All right. Question E. The first four terms of a quadratic sequence are 1, 7, 15, 25. Determine Tn, a Tn formula showing all and necessary working out. So because it's a quadratic, we know we're going to be using Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. This formula is not given on your formula sheet, guys. You need to know this one. Okay, so for a quadratic, we're going to get a constant second difference. So to get from there to there, we added 6. To get from there to there, we added 8. To get from there to there, we added 10. Okay, then here comes our constant second difference. Going from there to there, we added 2. From there to there, we added 2. So you can see there's our constant second difference, which means that this is quadratic. Okay, now you've got 3 little formulas after this. So we know that 2a is equal to your second difference. 3a plus b is equal to your first difference. Then a plus b plus c is equal to your first term. These are not given to you, grade 12s. You need to know them off by heart. Okay, so here I can solve for a. So a is equal to 1. I'm going to take this a, plug it into here, and we get 3 times 1 plus b equals 6. So b is equal to 3. Take our a and our b, plug it into here, and we get 1 plus 3 plus c equals to 1. So c is equal to minus 2. No, minus 3. Okay. So now we've got our a, our b, and our c. I can plug it into our quadratic formula there. So Tn is equal to a, which is 1, so that's n squared. B is plus 3n, and our c is minus 3. Okay. Thanks, grade 12s.